Who was the chairman of Union Power Committee of Constituent Assembly of India? Option A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option C. Sir Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer. Option D. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. What was the basis for constituting the Constituent Assembly of India? Option A. The resolution of Indian National Congress. Option B. The Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. Option C. Indian Independence Act 1947. Option D. The resolution of provincial or state legislature of the Dominion of India. Answer is the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. The Constitution of India was adopted on option A 26th of January 1950, option B 26th of January 1949, option C 26th of November 1949, option D 15th of August 1947. Answer is 26th of November 1949. Who presided over the first meeting of the Indian Constituent Assembly? Option A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option B. Sabchit Anand Sinha. Option C. B.R. Ambedkar. Option D. H.B. Kamath. Answer is Sabchit Anand Sinha. Who among the following was the advisor to the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? Option A. B. Sivarao. Option B. B.R. Ambedkar. Option C. Sachidananda Sinha. Option D. B.N. Rao. Answer is B.N. Rao. The Constituent Assembly of India started functioning from option A 9th of December 1946, option B 1st of January 1947, option C 26th of January 1947, option D 15th of August 1947. Answer is 9th of December 1946. Who among the following had moved the objective resolution which formed the basis of the preamble of the Constitution of India in the Constituent Assembly on 13th December 1946? Option A. B.R. Ambedkar. Option B. Rajendra Prasad. Option C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option D. Jawaharlal Nehru.